Out again on the bikes. Lovely bank holiday Sunday morning. Back at Calla. We're off up to Market Bosworth today. Round and about. Bit of on, bit of off road. It's a short one, 28 miles. Oops. Ow. Nettles. But once again, round the Calla. Round through the motocross site. What's it? Now across the back. So hopefully a nice ride round. It's the right temperature. Stop off at Market Bosworth on the way through. Yeah, we'll see where we end up. I'll catch you later. Through this lovely wooded section. Ow! I need to pump up my back suspension. Or maybe it was that pizza we had for tea last night. But yeah, it's just lovely. It's my kind of route. GoPro, stop recording. It looks like cows have been having to go on the motocross track. Morning. Oh no, I know what this means. Anyway, see you on the other side, which will probably be A47. You've been the slow engine. Straight across the A47, down the public footpath into Old Shoes. And just wind his way through the village. its other beat. Sugar content will be up, but the beet size will be somewhat reduced from harvest time, which is in around 8 to 10 weeks probably. I was tracking these days. That's it. Fancy to get it, the rucksack. Oh. No snack, no drink, no pump, no inner tube, no tools. A bit like it used to be when we first used to go out biking. So fingers crossed. No, hopefully nobody started edge trimming just yet. It's been a while since we've come this way, it's just a nice little run. Yeah. Oh. Ow. Oh. Here's what I'm kind of alright with. Nettles on the ground. Oh, seems a bit fierce this year. Bit more, yeah, that's it, just straight across to the right. This way, and this way. Oh, telling me there's a climb. Yeah, one of two. As you can get, we're going to need some water for it to come back to right. The problem is, the amount of water potential we're going to need means a lot of rain coming down. If it all comes down in one go, it can disappear in one go. Nice little track, I forgot about this one, which as you'll understand, come winter when it's wet, oh that bit back there, just a nightmare. Oh, nearly, not concentrating. Mallory Park on the right, it's no good me pointing because I'm not. Can't see that one. Look at that tree. It's alive, but it's all hollowed out. It's quite something. And there's Mallory Park. There's some horses. That is something else. But it's still growing, look. It's struck by lightning and it's still growing. And it's got right up there. No, I've got some here. Slight aroma of cow poop. Can't think why. So, finally got started in the bike ride, then I had to get back because I got a flat front tyre. And then that was fine, it was looking alright. And then, 3 or 4 miles in, guess what I'd forgotten? My backpack. With the snacks in, the coffee or a drink, the pump, everything that happens, we're going to punch it. And then, oh, yeah. Oh well, it's a nice stretch this bit. That breeze is nice and cool because it's getting warm. Cool because it's getting warm.